Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set as Chrome default browser on your PC, laptop or Windows. So simply at first open your Windows, then you get this option. Just search it to settings and you just open your settings. Okay, as you can see, showing it to apps. Press on and showing it to default apps. Press on this arrow option and you get search option. Set default for application and just search to Google Chrome. Okay, press on this arrow icon. Make Google Chrome your default browser. Press on set default, and I've successfully set up default in my Google Chrome browser. Scroll down, showing it to HTTP and HTTPS. So like I'm select to press on this icon and showing it to set default and overall setup. So that's it.